Hey guys, what's happening? How to make a photo album on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead and open up your photos, right? And select more than one photo to add to a new album. So let's say 1, 2, 3 photos or videos, right? And then head next to the trash can, the three dots at the bottom right. And then you're gonna see a pop-up window, favorite, duplicate, hide, show in all photos, play as a slideshow, and here you're gonna see add to album. So I can go ahead and add a new album, right? And it says right, save 3 videos. 3 shared unsaved videos need to be saved before continuing, right? Let me select a saved video because I haven't uploaded yet to my device. So let's say these 3 photos, 3 dots, and then what you're gonna do, hit add to album. And you can now add or create a new album. If you want to create a new album, you can hit the plus button at the top and add the album name. Okay, and once you finish, hit create, and now the photos will be added to the new album. If you want to see it, just go back, or yeah, let me see it right here, the pin collection, memories, future photos, right? And here you're gonna see albums. Go ahead, you're gonna see right here all of your albums. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.